In the given figure, chords AB and CD of the circle intersect at each other at right angles. Means this is AB, this is CD, intersect at right angles. Now x and y, we have to find out x plus y equals to. Say this, AB and CD intersect at right angles. So what happens now? In this angle A and angle D, both have what? CAB and CDB. Both have the common ends CB. So the arc which they subtend is the same. Therefore, this angle CAB will be equal to CDB. So same name can be written as CAO equals to ODB because they are the same angle. So it's X. So you can call now ODB as X, right? So in triangle ODB, now what? These three angles sum up to 180 degrees, but this is 90 O. So now x plus 90 plus y equals to 180, right? This x plus 90 plus y 180, therefore x plus y equals to 90.